Hey everyone, welcome to Bistegs TV. Today's recipe is a healthy version of strawberry chocolate cake. Let's start, shall we? Here are the ingredients we'll need. Eggs, dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, fresh strawberries, almonds, 1 tablespoon unsweetened coconut flake. Also get a cup of flour, half cup of sugar, baking powder, cocoa powder. Add 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, and mix them all in the bowl. Vanilla is optional, but you can add a small amount if you want to. Take your time and enjoy the process. Also remember just small portions. Then add 1 cup of water and distribute the cake batter evenly in the pan. Finally, bake it for 35 minutes in an oven-safe plate. And that's it, everyone. Thank you for watching this video on Bistegs TV. Please subscribe for more delicious, easy recipes. Have a great day. Cheers!